Hi, here we have a problem on parametric equations. That is, eliminate the parameter in the parametric equations. X is equal to sine t, y is equal to cosine 2t. Okay, here the parameter is t. We have to eliminate the parameter t and we have to give the equation in terms of the two variables x and y. Okay, so y is equal to cosine t. I know the formula, I know the trigonometric identity for cosine 2t, that is 1 negative 2 times sine square t. So cosine 2t equals to 1 negative 2 times sine square t. This is a trigonometric identity. So the next step, what I can do is 2 times, I can write the sine square t as sine t the whole square. Y is equal to 1 minus 2 times. So from the first parametric equation, I know that the sine t is equal to x. So this sine t can be replaced with x. Then I get y is equal to 1 minus 2 times x square. So now I got the equation without the parameter t. That is, I have eliminated the parameter t and I got the equation in terms of the variables x and y.